guys, sorry for the horrible lighting, but today is my birthday. I'm ready to head out to work, but I wanted to at least unwrap one present before I leave. So I got this package in the mail from my friend Sabrina. She's currently on vacation in Egypt, so she sent me something in advance, which is so sweet of her. Her booktube channel is called Look at My Books, and I'm really hopeful that she might pick up filming again this year, so check her out. And let's see what she got me. I'm really excited. So, okay, I see 2 books and some paper. So, okay. We have this book. Let me see. I don't think there's an English title in here because this is a Japanese book. So I can't tell you what it is called in English. The German title is Böse Absichten, which sounds like it is a thriller or something like that. So this is about an author who is killed in his home and... Okay, so it's about who killed him. That sounds interesting. I think this is one that Sabrina has actually read. Oh, cool. This is the other one. Let me see. Yes, this is Station 11. I had no idea what the German title is. So the German title is Das Licht der letzten Tage, Station 11 by Emily St. John Mandel, which is a book I wanted to read for a long time. I think this is about a theater group after some kind of apocalypse or something like that. So yeah, really excited. I think both of these books will be super interesting and very different from the stuff I usually read. So that's always great. She also sent me some notes, which I will read now. But yeah, this is the first part, and I think all the other gifts I will show you later on when I've unwrapped everything. Hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if the lighting isn't perfect, but I'm really in a hurry right now, but I wanted to quickly film this video for you today, because today I wanted to share with you my birthday gifts that I received this year. My birthday has been a couple of days ago, but by now I think I've received all the gifts that I'm gonna get. I already recorded this little first clip for you that you just saw, so let's get into the rest of this video. First of all, one gift I wanted to share with you is this book. This is The Children of Húrin, which is a book by Tolkien. This is also illustrated and super gorgeous, and I already have the Beren and Luthien version of this, so this is a great addition to my library. I also got this amazing poster of the Lord of the Rings characters. There you can see Gandalf and the hobbits, and down there is Gollum. And yeah, this is super cool. I can't wait to hang this on my wall. Obviously it's really hard to show here, but yeah, I really was so happy to finally receive some Lord of the Rings stuff, because usually my friends only give me like Harry Potter stuff because that's what they're into, but I actually really like Lord of the Rings a lot more, so this is awesome. Then another book I really wanted to have is The Silence of the Girls by Pat Barker. This is a retelling of the War of Troy, but from a female perspective. So really excited about this. Talking about books, I also got this vegan and vegetarian cookbook. This is A Modern Way to Cook by Anna Jones, and I can't wait to get into this because I actually don't own a real vegetarian and vegan cookbook. So yeah, this is perfect. My grandma also gave me some towels for the kitchen. These are really pretty, and they're this kind of berry pink color, which I think is really cute, so I can throw out some of my old towels. That's great. Then I also got a ton of sweets and nuts and stuff like that from my grandma, and also some homemade jam. So the main thing I wished for this year was money for traveling, so these gifts are also a little bit smaller, but that's totally fine with me because I have huge traveling plans. My mom then also gave me this because I wished for it. This is a bottle where you can put tea in. I don't know what the English word for this is, but I really wanted to have one when I'm traveling by train. I think this is perfect. You know, you can put your hot tea in here in the morning and then you can enjoy it during the day. My mom also gave me this mug, which I'm super excited about because I wanted to have it for so long. And this says, "Mornings are for coffee and contemplation." And this is obviously a quote from Stranger Things, which is also something I really love, and I love the merch for it. But most of my friends don't even know it, so they would never give me this. So I had to wish for this, unfortunately. But I love it so much, and I can't wait to put this on my desk at work. Then my grandma gave me a Yankee candle, and this is Warm Desert Wind. And it looks like this. It's a 3-wick candle in this very bizarre tin for Yankee candle. You know, it's very unusual. It smells very interesting, but I found that burning it didn't smell too much. And my mom also gave me the newest Sims 4 game, which is Get Famous or something like that. Obviously this is a German version, and I'm so excited to finally get to play this. I wanted to have this for Christmas because after Christmas I actually had a couple of days off, so I would have had time to play this. Now unfortunately it's not the time, so this will probably have to wait a couple of weeks. But I hope that I can try it soon because it looks super fun, and I'm not really into Sims 4 too much, but I'm a collector. I just want to own these. My mom also made me a ton of stuff. First of all, she made me a face cream with aloe vera, almond oil and shea butter. She made me some new socks. I love her socks. I wear those all through winter. And she also made me a soap, which has kind of an clementine apricot scent. It's really fruity and really nice, and I can't wait to use this in summertime. Last but not least, in here I have this little shower gel, which is Nuit Vanille by Yves Rocher. These are great for traveling. They're just so small, but they last a very long time. A friend of mine also gave me a little scented candle, and this is a soy candle. It says natural home, olive lemon, coconut. No, it's coconut wax. I'm sorry. But it smells heavenly. It has this kind of sweet, fresh lemon scent. And I can't wait to try this. It's really nice. I think this is more like a bathroom scent. Not in a bad way though, but yeah. Just something I would enjoy more in summertime, I guess, because it's so sweet. Then I got a small little package from my other grandma. She gave me some warm socks and some tights that are always useful in wintertime. And then also some really nice chocolate. They also gave me money for traveling, so that's why this is just such a small sweet gift, you know. My mom also found this. This is a hand warmer, like one of those thingies that you click and then it gets warm and then you throw it into boiling water and you can reuse it. And it comes with this cute little pouch which looks like a bear, like an ice bear. You can put it in there and have it in your pocket. It's so cute. She basically gave me this because it looks cute, you know. And also she gave me some chocolate. Then one of my friends gave me this mysterious little envelope, which I had lying around here for a while now. And these are actually tickets for a show that we're going to go to together, which is super cute. And I am really excited because she recently moved back to Germany. So this will be a nice occasion to meet up with her and see her new place. Now I got a huge box from some other friends. They gave me some Keep Calm tea, which is always great because lately I've been really out of the loop, especially at work. They also gave me a calendar full of cats and literary quotes, which is just all I need in my life. Then they gave me this, which is hard to tell what it really is. I don't know if this has alcohol or not. I would have to check on the back. Yes, it does. So it's some kind of wine that is, you know, has added stuff to it, like cinnamon and pomegranate, and then you can heat it up and enjoy it, I guess. So I haven't tried it yet, but yeah, the winter is not over yet, so this will come in handy. And there's also a little bath bomb in there and some sweets. Then I got another really sweet package from a friend that I did not expect at all. And she gave me a Harry Potter mug. So this is a Hogwarts mug. I've never had one of these before. But yeah, mugs are always handy, I guess. So yeah, this is super cute. She also gave me one of these really tiny towels that I will definitely take on my trip. And then a little panda bear bath salt thing and a hand cream, which I actually thought this would be something you eat, but it is a hand cream. It just looks very random. The packaging is super weird. And then super cool chocolate from my hometown, which has this 3D thingy at the front. And I will never be able to eat this because I'm afraid. And then she also packed a ton of cat treats, which were obviously appreciated by the cat. So I think this is the last box now. This from my best friend mainly, I think. Yeah. She gave me a, what do you call this? Like a shawl, little thingy-majingy, you know, you could put everywhere you need it for traveling. She also gave me a set of these thingies where you can put, you know, shampoo and stuff if you don't want to take the big bottle. These are little sweets, but the packaging looks like a cat, so I'm not quite sure whether these will be tasty. They look very sugary, but I do like sugar, so... She also gave me some cherries, which I like, because I like sugar. These are pure sugar. She gave me a game, which nobody knows what this is. She just said she liked the packaging. I'm not one for gaming, but this looks intriguing. It looks like a thriller or like a crime game. I have no idea. I will have to get into this somehow, but I didn't manage it so far. But yeah, this is definitely interesting. She also gave me the 3rd volume of this little chi manga, which I usually read for a booktubeathon, but since there is no more booktubeathon, I'm not quite sure when I will read this, but I will. These are so adorable. Then she gave me this box, which is basically the heart of the gift, I would say. And this has a ton of random things in here, and they're all funny. Like, they look like medicine, but they're actually not. Like, for example, this, it looks like it is for headaches, but it's actually to remove a bad mood. And then this looks like, you know, one of these things on the wall where you can call the fire trucks. But it really is chocolate. This looks like something you would take when you have diarrhea, but it actually says to take this when you are, you know, you always know everything, like a know-it-all. Like, the German word has shit in it, so that's why that's kind of fitting. And I don't know what's this. Yeah, this is a it looks like vaccination, but against stress. So that's this little box, and I think it's so funny and so cute, and perfectly fits the theme of me traveling a lot. And then finally there is this bag, which is super cute because it has a little cat face. I don't know whether you can see it, but there it is. So cute, so adorable. And in here she also packed a ton of stuff, but this is like real stuff. Like, this is something if you have sore muscles. This is some kind of lotion. Then we have sun cream, a little blush, some toothpaste, hand cream. This is a mascara. Then one of these brushes, which I wanted to have for a while, and it's gorgeous. It's definitely my aesthetic. Ooh. I will have to try this because I'm very particular with my brushes. Oh, but I like it. Okay, this is a winner. Yeah. So I hope I didn't forget anything. I think it's all. No, it's not. Actually, there was one more candle, but I already put it away because I want to have it ready to burn. And this is a pumpkin spice candle that my best friend gave me as well. But that would be everything. I was so fortunate. I really did not expect to get any gifts. I told most of my friends I didn't want gifts, so this was so cool. I had a blast, such a fun time, you know, with friends visiting, family visiting, stuff like that. And now I'm so ready to go on vacation soon. I'm super excited. I hope I'll manage to edit enough videos so you won't really notice that I'm gone. but I'll be gone for a while. So yeah, I'm super pumped for that. I had a really good time last weekend. I hope you did so too. I hope you have a lovely day. If you want to see more, then please feel free to subscribe. And if you enjoyed watching this, then leave a like or a nice comment. Always appreciate those. And yeah, talk to you soon. Bye!